Hi, we're here. Somewhere in Villanueva. We got my Mama Linda, Uncle Roel. We got my cousins over here, my cousins.
Hi.
And we're excited to bring us all the gifts.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? If you know, look at the gifts. Miss, taga-asa ka? Miss, taga-asa rin mo? Nang, taga-asa ka nang? Nang, taga-asa ka nang?
Tagawa.
Imagine all the people living for today, letting go of what used to be, embracing with anticipation, facing forward on the edge of our seats for what's on its way. The thrill of hope, this weary world rejoices, singing in the dawn with our awakened voices, bringing forth a new and glorious morning. Imagine all the people living life in peace, no more turning a blind eye. All oppression shall cease. No more hiding in the dark, for the true light has come, and his gospel is peace. Imagine all the world sharing the world as one. No more lines in the sand, these dividing days are done. Singing sweet hymns of joy, a new world has begun. May say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Our chains have been broken, cause on that night when my Savior was born, true love won.